next project I'm starting is a axle stand. Whether I'm working on an axle, just cleaning it up, getting brackets removed, or re-gearing an axle, just wanted to upgrade something from my old wood 2x4 stand that I used to use. So I got this idea. I'm gonna take a engine stand that I have extra laying around. We're gonna add an extra support here, make 2 brackets off the side. Should be pretty simple, about a half-hour job. Get her all welded up, cut up, and all right, we've got the engine stand chalked up in our Evolution saw. All right, step 1 complete. All right, we've got some 2x2 box tubing that I just have in stock in my shop. Figured we'd use that for this project. And we've got that. So this is kind of our plan. We'll get this set up. Now we've got 2 pieces. And this is going to be the gist of our stand. In a second, I'll show you what we've got cut out on the CNC table as far as brackets to help hold the axle. All right, guys, so here we have our rough layout of what we're gonna do. I did add some little 45-degree cuts at the top just to make it look a little cleaner. And then what I've cut out is for our axle brackets. These guys are going to hang off the sides here and be a axle cradle. We'll get those welded on here in just a second, and that should be just about it. Add some caps and we'll be good to go.